In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a theme to just one slide using PowerPoint 2013 on both Mac and PC. This can be incredibly handy when you're aiming to create impactful presentations with distinct slides that capture attention. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open up PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using a Mac or a PC, the process is pretty straightforward, though there might be slight variations depending on your version. Once PowerPoint is open, make your way to the presentation you're working on. You can do this by either creating a new presentation or opening an existing file where you want to apply a unique theme to a single slide. Now that you're inside your presentation, find the specific slide you want to modify. Click on the slide to select it. It's crucial to ensure that this slide is the one you want to individualize with a new theme, so take a moment to double check. With your slide selected, turn your attention to PowerPoint's Design tab found at the top of the interface. By navigating here, you'll find a plethora of design options that offer a great deal of flexibility to customize your slides. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the theme drop down within the Design tab. A range of available themes will become visible, showcasing different designs and color palettes. Take your time to scroll through these options to find the one that best suits the mood or style you want to convey on this singular slide. Remember, choosing the right theme can drastically alter the viewer's experience and interaction with your content. Once you've set your sights on a theme, right-click on it. A context menu will appear, and here's where the unique step comes in. Look for the option that says Apply to Selected Slides. Click this option, and voila, the theme is now applied to just your selected slide, leaving the existing theme on your other slides unchanged. This technique allows you to highlight specific information or create a visual transition in your presentation, enhancing the overall narrative. By mastering this skill, your presentations can gain a layer of sophistication that sets them apart from the crowd. Feel free to experiment with different themes and see how they affect the look and feel of your presentation. That's all there is to it. Applying a distinct theme to just one slide is a simple but effective way to make your presentation stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different themes and discover which ones best amplify your message. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.